Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into a truly special piece of instant photography history, the Polaroid Spectra QPS 1200 Advanced Control Panel Instant Camera. This isn't just any instant camera. It's a testament to Polaroid's ambition to give photographers more creative freedom in a format often associated with simplicity. The standout feature, as its name suggests, is that advanced control panel. Unlike many point-and-shoot instant cameras, the Spectra QPS 1200 offers a level of manual control that was revolutionary for its time. This panel allows users to fine-tune various settings, moving beyond basic exposure compensation. One can adjust elements like flash intensity, focus distance, and even experiment with multiple exposures, opening up a world of creative possibilities that are often absent in other instant cameras. This level of interaction truly elevates the instant photography experience, transforming it from a purely automatic process into something more deliberate and artistic. Beyond the control panel, the camera boasts the Quick Pulse Sonar QPS autofocus system. This technology ensures sharp, clear images by accurately measuring the distance to the subject, a crucial feature for capturing those fleeting moments with precision. The combination of advanced autofocus and the detailed control panel means that photographers have a powerful tool in their hands, capable of producing consistently high-quality instant prints. The Spectra QPS 1200 uses the larger Spectra film format, which provides a wider, more panoramic image compared to the traditional square Polaroid film. This wider aspect ratio is perfect for landscapes, group shots, or simply giving your subjects more room to breathe within the frame. The camera is designed to work with color instant film, delivering those iconic, vibrant Polaroid hues that are instantly recognizable and cherished. Included with the camera is the camera body itself, and of course, that distinctive control panel, which is seamlessly integrated into the design. It's a robust and well-built camera, reflecting the quality standards of its era. For anyone looking to explore instant photography with a greater degree of artistic input and technical control, the Polaroid Spectra QPS 1200 stands out as an exceptional choice. It's a camera that rewards experimentation and offers a unique blend of instant gratification with advanced photographic capabilities.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.